Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Lenovo ThinkPad docking station not supplying enough power, USB-C PD troubleshooting. Fix 1 is check the power adapter. Unplug the docking station from your ThinkPad, then make sure you are using the original Lenovo power adapter. Check that the power adapter is plugged securely into the docking station and the wall outlet. Then plug the docking station back into the ThinkPad. See if your laptop starts charging normally. Second one is reconnect the USB-C cable. Unplug the USB-C cable from the laptop, then wait about 30 seconds. Inspect the USB-C connector for dirt or damage. Plug the cable back in securely. If available, try the other USB-C Thunderbolt port on your ThinkPad. Third one is power reset the dock. Disconnect the dock from the laptop, then unplug the dock's power adapter. Wait for 1 minute, then plug the power adapter back into the dock. Reconnect the dock to your ThinkPad. Fourth one is check the USB-C cable. Make sure the cable supports USB-C power delivery and data. Then replace the cable if it is damaged or worn. Test with another high quality USB-C cable if possible. Reconnect the dock and check if the laptop starts normally. Fifth one is update dock firmware. Download the latest Lenovo dock firmware to update tool, then connect the dock to your laptop. Run the firmware update utility. Install any available update, then restart your laptop after the update. Thanks for watching.